morning, good morning. It's me, Allison. It is a beautiful day outside. It's been so hot for the past few days. And then yesterday we got a big thunderstorm which broke the weather. So now it's like that morning after the rain and the air is kind of cool and the sun is nice and warm. It's just one of those like perfect mornings. I think we're gonna be heading to our local farm stand today. They have animals and a really lovely little produce market and a little shop, and they're offering strawberry picking. So we're gonna head over and maybe just do all the farm things and have a nice little outdoor day. I just thought I would bring you along for the ride. These are the kinds of days that, especially with Sky, I really love to record and to share. Doing these like little things with the toddlers is so much more magical or something. She gets so excited about seeing everything, and it's like truly a frolic in the field when you're doing it with a little kid. Okay, we are back. Look at all these strawberries. I mean, they're truly so beautiful. They're like little jewels. I also got this stevia plant, which I've never grown before, and it doesn't really smell of anything. But if you nibble on the leaves, It is like so sweet. It's crazy. So I think I'll just like throw leaves of this into my tea to give it kind of like an herbally sweet flavor. It's great. We'll put this in the garden too. Also, somebody there gave us this little baby bear of honey. To Skylar. It's so teeny. It's 2 ounces of honey. It was the best day. Truly, doing things like that with Sky, it's just so much more magical. Like seeing her like run through fields and picking berries. Like so grateful to have that time with her, and it's just like days like today make spring feel just a little extra special.